If you're looking for a quick guide on how to enable chat and Q&A in Livestorm, then you're in the right place. This video will walk you through everything you need to get your live stream up and running with interactive features to engage your audience. Stick around till the end, because I've got a bonus exclusive offer that'll make your Livestorm experience even better. To get started, let's dive straight into the basics. Livestorm is a powerful webinar platform designed to help you connect with your audience in real time. One of its standout features is the ability to engage participants through chat and Q&A, making your live sessions much more interactive. Here's how to set it all up. First, head over to your Livestorm dashboard. If you haven't set up your event yet, go ahead and create one. Once your event is set up, go into the event settings. You'll find the Event Settings tab in your event dashboard, where you'll be able to configure various options for your session. Now, let's focus on enabling chat. Under the engagement section, you'll see an option called Chat. Click it, and you'll have a few different options. You can toggle the chat feature on or off based on whether you want it active during your session. You also have the option to choose whether to allow all participants to send messages or only specific users like speakers or moderators. This can be helpful if you want to reduce distractions and maintain focus during the event. After enabling chat, you'll be able to see all the messages coming in from your participants in real time. This is a great way to answer questions, spark discussions, or simply keep your audience engaged throughout your live event. Next, let's talk about enabling the Q&A feature. This is similar to enabling chat, but it allows you to manage questions more effectively during your session. In the same engagement section of your event settings, you'll find the Q&A option. Once you click on it, you'll see a toggle to activate the feature. Once activated, your attendees will have the ability to submit questions during the live session, and you can easily view and answer them in real time. The cool thing about Q&A is that you can moderate questions before they appear publicly. This means you can screen out spam, irrelevant questions, or anything that doesn't align with your session's focus. You can also mark questions as answered, making it easy to keep track of which questions have been addressed. Both chat and Q&A offer ways to boost interaction and improve the overall experience for your viewers, making them feel more involved in your live session. Whether you're hosting a webinar, virtual conference, or casual event, these features are invaluable for engaging with your audience and adding a personal touch. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that you can use Livestorm completely for free with the link in the description below. You'll also get exclusive bonuses that make it even more worthwhile. So if you're ready to create engaging, interactive events, this offer is one you won't want to miss. To recap, enabling chat and Q&A in Livestorm is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your virtual events. By following the steps I've outlined, you'll be able to foster meaningful engagement, keep your audience active, and make your sessions more interactive than ever. And don't forget to check the link below for an exclusive extended free trial. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.